Hi, Xander.
Hi.
I'm down here on the floor, upside down under the dash. You could literally throw crap at me all day long and I can't do anything about it because I'm stuck.
Yeah.
So, the hunt. There it is! When they put the AC in, they wedged it up instead of down because it's supposed to live over here. Well, they wedged it over here. Guess what? That's not fun or cute, and it does not make Bobby happy because I physically cannot see it. I have to do it by braille. So basically, changing this is going to be use the camera and feel. Thanks, guys who installed the AC and didn't pay attention. Oh, God. When you install something aftermarket, please do not relocate factory things, especially the flasher, because that's a consumable, and it's kind of needed. All right, I'm going to change it out. Okay, so I got the old flasher out. Yeah, I'm talking funny because my back is done now. So there's the original. I mean, that's like OG status flasher. And here's the new electronic style, which will help our LEDs. So, can't get that plugged in at all. I tried, and that's why my back is now out. So Xander, being young enough to bend, because I'm old. Oh, dude, there it is. There. You don't have to pull it. You can just do it there. Huh. Oh, hey, look. I just saved ourselves some time. Okay, we'll figure it out. All right, that was easier because I was able to pull it up and over the glove box. So, all right. Should be able to do our flashers as soon as we get that wiring done over there. One wire and we're done. Then we'll start programming our flashers. Okay, so we changed the flashers. We got everything wired up to power, and the hazards are supposed to be on. We ain't hazarding.
Nope.
So I'm gonna put the other flasher back because this is stupid. All right, so trying to access the rest of the wiring to get to the other flasher relay, because we need to replace both. And when they install the AC, it makes it almost impossible to get the glove box out. Glove box?
Glove box compartment.
Glove box container. So Xander's gonna fight with this. He might have to try to drop it out the bottom, try to pull it out the front. He'll get it out, but I did notice when I was underneath the dash that the box with the evaporator for the AC, it says Mustang 69 to 70, so that's kind of cute, and that makes sense why it kind of doesn't fit well. So Xander's gonna get that out. We're gonna find the other flasher, and then we'll go from there.
Yeah.
That's not it right there, is it? No. Those aren't the right colors. I sent you the diagram. So Xander's got the diagram, so it's easy.
Easy.
It's not really easy, but it's quite annoying actually. But the whole day's been kind of annoying. Damn! I didn't know it was this flexible. Your girlfriend better watch out. Because all the ladies gonna be after this guy. He already took off his shoes upside down. That's impressive. I'm old. I put on slip-ons now. You know why?
Why?
Because I can't remember how to tie my shoes.
I believe that.
Nice. So what do you got?
Nothing.
Annoying?
Yeah.
Irritated?
Yeah. Pretty much.
If you're old enough, you'd be drinking?
Yeah.
All right. That's the spirit. All right. Xander's going to keep on digging. You know, away we go. Dig fries are done, Bernsey?
I didn't realize you real.
Hi. Are you having fun yet?
Nope.
Oh, well. You'll be all right.
Should have stayed home today.
Yeah. It was your idea to come in after your driver's training. He didn't even wreck anybody on driver's training. I didn't teach him right.
I kind of want my license.
Yeah, it's overrated.